The tools needed to complete this task are a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. The lever assembly kit will contain the following items: one lever handle, one fork spring, two Phillips head retainer screws, two case screws, and two lever stop plates. It is always best to confirm all parts are present prior to installation. To begin, locate and remove the 4 Phillips head screws located on the back of the lock housing. Once removed, the back will easily separate from the main housing. The main lock housing only requires one part for the lever assembly, the fork spring. Place the half loop of the fork spring into the hole located at the top of the housing fork. Slide the full loop of the fork spring onto the post located on the same side as the lock tongue or hook. A slight tension will need to be exerted on the fork spring to allow it to slide onto the post. Before the lever can be installed, the existing recessed thumb turn assembly needs to be removed. The thumb turn assembly is attached to the back cover with a locking ring. Taking the flat-headed screwdriver, pry the lock ring from the thumb turn. Once the lock ring has been removed, the thumb turn will release from the back cover. The lever handle can now be installed onto the back cover. Align the 2 holes in the lever handle with the 2 holes on the back cover. Attach using the 2 retainer screws. To attach the back cover, only 2 of the 4 case screws are needed. The long case screws and 1 of the 2 lever stops will be needed to complete the installation. The type of door determines which lock stop is to be used. Replace the back cover on the lock housing, aligning the lever assembly with the internal fork. The back cover will close flush to the lock housing when the alignment is completed. The placement of the lever should be vertical, with the end pointing in an upward direction. Install the lock stop along the top of the back cover and tighten down with the 2 long case screws. Replace the 2 short case screws at the bottom of the lock housing. Test the lock for proper function.